Hi, it's Ian, your favorite reviewer again, and we're gonna do a food review, and I'm gonna eat Lay's potato chips, guys. And, and this is so cool, guys. And I'm gonna try one out right now. Here we go. It's very tasty, crunchy, and it has a lot of potato flavor. And these are non-GMO and they're gluten-free too, guys. Just remember that, guys. Total thumbs up. And we buy these at Shaw's sometimes, guys, and they're delicious. And they're crunchy too, and salty, and fried. Okay, guys, so that's all for tonight. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, like us on Facebook, guys, and yabba dabba doo. Great to see you. Have a great night. So long. Bye bye.